Hello friends, hello fellow viewers. My name is still Teddy. I'm going to take you through something very simple you could have encountered before, already. That is YouTube. Very simple, like I said before. YouTube, it's a very helpful app as long as you know the use of it. So in YouTube here, when you're opening, for example, you come here, you search for YouTube. Yeah, you can see all of us know at least YouTube. There I can't say nothing, I can't say much, because I believe we know the app. Though there could be a lot of us friends who might not be knowing how to utilize this app. We just see it, we don't know the use of it. So YouTube, like the way I'm doing, you can make YouTube videos, you can educate your friends through YouTube. Or for instance, you have your young kids at home who are maybe in primary, and let me say you don't know nothing about, they bring back the research, they bring back homework, and you don't have any idea. Please don't get stressed, don't get, you just come, you come and search for, maybe let me say, fractions. Using YouTube, members, it's a very good thing. You see, it will bring obviously. So you learn it, then you teach your kids. In this, your kids will not fail exams. You will be the teacher at home, even if you've never been one. So you can access every video of your choice, regardless, from YouTube. Anything you wish, you can access it here. So you can see it has brought all. So it's now up to you either to go by this one, you download, you learn, then you teach your kids, or anything of your choice. And in this, every subject you can learn through YouTube. For example, maybe like I need maybe something about maybe our environment. Talk of any topic, maybe SST, about maybe our environment. For example, a kid has brought something about this you've never heard, you don't know, you've finished bachelor's, you don't know these things of young kids. You simply go to YouTube, it brings to you every day. Are you not seeing? Is it not nice? Is it not interesting? So the world is getting computerized, and why all this is happening is just to make our life simple. Anything we want, we just search on YouTube. You see? If you didn't know this before, please, this is it about YouTube. You can search anything, you can download anything. You can search and download, you can anything of your choice, any topic you wish to learn, anything. If you're at school, if you want to learn about business, if you want to learn about anything, please, the chance is here. That is YouTube. You will access all this stuff, anything you wish to learn. So friends, there is something small about YouTube that could be we didn't know, but I have a feeling that there could be one or two who didn't know all about this, and now getting to know this, I believe that you'll never remain the same. You know, struggle, even from so you know struggle, you'll just go type anything and you get your answers without fail. So by Thank you for giving me your time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share as we meet in our next video. Bye.